can meet the efficient requirement of combined patterns. Yes, there is rich piece, single color, single row, quilting and embroidery machine. Whatever summer quilt cover, pillow cover, and mattress protective mat, all can use this machine. Now, please look at this machine. Minimum needle distance is 2 inches. Independently controlled dual needle bar or manually switched on or off. Here is 4 inches, and now I turn it on. It can be 2 inches, 4 inches. Alternate has pattern sewing between 2 inches, or other size can be done according to production requirement to meet the combined patterns. With Japan Jumbo Rotate Hook, 2.2 times of normal hook can reduce bombing replacement frequency and improving factories' working efficiency, and with the auto thread breakage detection, reducing workers' tension. With the control of positive and negative feeding device, it's easy to load materials. With the box of oil storage, it can reduce oil pollution of fabrics. The max speed can be up to 750 rotates per minute. I'm Lottie. We are in Rich Peace. For more automation solutions, welcome